Assalamualaikum.
Fakir, Bashar, Adam. Who is our father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Which is our country?
India.
What is the first month of Arabic calendar?
Muharram.
What is the last month of Arabic calendar?
Dhul-Hijjah.
Who is the father of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Abdullah.
Who is our mother of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Aminah Bibi.
Where did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born?
Makkah.
Where did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam dead?
Madinah.
Where is the Kaaba situated?
Makkah.
What is the name of our national tree?
Banana tree.
What is the name of biggest fruit in the world?
Jackfruit.
Then what is the name of our national flower?
Lotus.
How many ayah include in Surah Fatiha?
7.
Which is the longest vehicle in the world?
Train.
Who is first Prime Minister of India?
Nehru.
Then what did children called Nehru?
Chachaji.
Okay. Which is our state?
Kerala.
Okay. Then which is our district?
Malappuram.
Thank you.